integration is down to illusion of ethical attention, a citizen reputation, a petition, a precision, establishment, a character, a new way of sensation, the adoption of human foundation. Never had a thought of none that could be the reaction. They just fall to addiction of devilry, evolution, moralism, dissipation, so sad disillusion. Up to their next satisfaction. Purification, contemplation, edification is a mass for the express of nation. Arjujiti Arjunon, Arjujiti Arjujitanor. Kilon tam na ke, kilon pun na ke, pardon tam na ke. You must say no, you must say yes, but everybody knows that you were once mine. Shame on your people with no remorse. You feed the numbers bullshits into your small head. You can never get away any which way you like, but that any which way should be the way I like. Arjujite Arjunon, Arjuje dan noi. Kilon tam na ke, kilon pun na ke, pardon tam na ke, lunjir kali lake.